Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Good to see you around on this one again. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, I say welcome again, and the new followers, kindly smash the subscribe button before we proceed to this video. Smash the subscribe button, just hit on it. Subscription is free, you pay no dime to subscribe. Subscribe so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video on this channel. Alright, I am on aiming.org website. This is a crypto investment platform where you invest and make money on daily basis. Okay, before I proceed, I'll love to remind you that you can do your own personal research before investing on any website. You can proceed and take the risk if you want to. You can go ahead and do your own research. It is okay to do your research before investing in any website, because I am not a financial advisor. Like always, I always tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website, guys. All right. The first thing I want to show you here is how to set your transaction pin on this website. You have to set your transaction pin for smooth navigation and completion of your probably your deposits or withdrawals. You need to set your transaction pin. So to do this, you have to click on the my icon here. So once you do that, the very last thing you see on this page here is set your transaction password. So once that is done, once you click that, you have to set your enter your login password. Mind you, before you start doing this, I want to assume you've already registered using the first link in the description of this video. Okay, so once you have already registered, the login password, the password which you use in logging into the site, is what you're going to first input here. The next thing you have to do here is to set your transaction password, which should be different from your login password. Then you set a 6-digit transaction password here, repeat the same 6-digit transaction password here, and click on confirm. Once you do that, boom, it is set. All right, so the next thing I want to show you here is how to set your, on this same page, my, how to set your how to bind your wallet address. So on this same page here, you have to click on my wallet. Before doing this, I want to assume you must have copied your wallet address from your wallet, from your crypto wallet, which you actually want to use to receive funds from this website. So go to your crypto wallet, your trust wallet, or any crypto wallet you want to use to receive funds. So once you do that, just come to this page and click on this plus sign right here. When you click on this plus sign, you tap on this place to enter your wallet address. So you just paste it. Once you paste it, then on this, the next place here, please enter your transaction password. The transaction password you just set, you have to enter it here and click on confirm. That's done. Fine. Okay, now let's quickly consider the packages these guys say that they have, what you can purchase, what you can do to, what is obtainable on this website for you to make money. Okay, so let me quickly click on miner here. Okay, having done that, you're going to see the list of the packages they have here. You just have to come to this page, guys, and consider what you find favorable or what suits your pocket, your bank account, what you can actually afford to risk. You can just come to this page and consider any of the packages and subscribe to anyone you want to subscribe for, and that's it. But before you do that, before you buy any of the packages, you must have to deposit money on this website first, clicking this very place to make your deposit. All right, so to make a deposit, you have to simply type the amount you want to deposit. Let me say for example $200. You do that. You select any network you want to use to send funds to this address. You can select your local bank card, your Naira bank card transfer, but I prefer using USDT TRC20 to do this. So once I input the amount I want to transfer to this place, I tap on confirm. All right, on this page right here, you just have to tap on this copy. Tap on copy. You can see copy successfully, copy successful. All right, you'll go out of this page and go to your crypto wallet and send money to this site. Once your money is received here, you can now go ahead and buy any of the packages you want to buy, which I just showed you how to do that. All right, so the next thing I want to show you here is how to get your money out of this website. That is the withdrawal process. You just have to click on withdrawal right here. Click on withdrawal. All right, you must have binded your wallet address to this website, which I already showed you how to do before coming to this very place to request for withdrawal after making money on this website. So the very thing you have to do on this page is to tap in the amount you want to withdraw. Let me say, for example, $300. Then you don't need to you just have to overlook this place that is written bind your wallet, because you want to assume you've already done that. So the thing after binding your wallet, I'm actually using this very account for the purpose of this video. So after binding your wallet, you just have to click on after inputting the amount you want to withdraw, you just have to click on confirm. Okay, you click on confirm and withdrawal requested. All right, guys, there is no much thing to show you on this video. I just showed you the actual things you need to do in order to navigate through this website smoothly without finding it difficult. All right, let's call this the end of this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video, this video. Liking this video, you pay no dime to like the video, you pay no dime to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, guys, so that you can always get notified every time I upload a video on this channel. All right, guys, bye. I would love to see you on the next one.